What's up, everybody? Today we got a camera, man. A Ring stick-up cam.
Sonny Daniel advertisers.
I bought this for myself because I want to upgrade my camera outside. That I got a Ring stick-up cam. It's pretty whack. So I wanted to get the new version, the stick-up wired Ring cam. Now I'm gonna give y'all some test footage of this. Hold up, who in my house?
Motion of your floodlight cam.
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, that's actually a pretty good thing y'all heard that, because that is exactly what happens when somebody's at your floodlight cam. Yeah, man, so I bought this for myself. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, review it a little bit for y'all. Y'all know if you're new to my channel, I just do like real reviews, man. I usually buy all these products just for myself, and I'm just showing y'all what they do, how they feel, and all of that. So let's get into it. That unboxing knife though, I love this knife, man. I'm not like a knife fanatic or nothing like that, but I love that knife. It's just so clean. But yeah, man, so we got the Ring stick-up cam. This is gonna be a big upgrade over the original stick-up cam. They always have nice presentation. This camera is super diverse, man. You can install it on a table, a shelf, install it on the wall, ceiling, and yeah, I just read all of that. Super diverse, man. You can put it outside, inside, it really doesn't matter. What we got in here, by the way? Let me just see what's going on in here. Something to set it up, the manual, bunch of stuff like this. Give you a Ring sticker just to put on your door or something, let people know that you got the video surveillance. Here's the camera, man. Let's see what it's looking like. It's got a nice size to it. It's a little bigger than I thought it was. It's bigger than, well, I want to say it's about the same size as the original stick-up cam. It's just got the cylinder shape, so it's a little bit bigger. How we move this around? Oh, it's got a nice little rigidity to it too. Look at that. Got some nice rigidity. So if you do want to set it on the table, you could easily set it down like that for house surveillance. Now, me personally, I don't like having cameras inside my house. I think that's kind of like you risking it. I don't even have I have all my webcams and stuff covered up because, you know, the feds are always watching. But actually the feds told you to do that, so you probably should do that if you haven't done it. So I don't like having cameras in my house because people definitely can hack into cameras, and that's not even some conspiracy action. Like, the feds actually said that. So I wouldn't put these in my house. But outside, I like to have a bunch of cameras outside so I catch somebody coming in my house, and then once they get in here, I got the ADT and all of that. So house is definitely secure. I like the presentation they got in the box. They got an Apple-esque vibe going. This is the install and setup kit. Let's see what's in here. Okay, this your wires. I was gonna buy some of these on Amazon the other day. I'm glad they gave me some. Yeah, they give you a micro USB screwdriver, which I have a bunch of these, some screws, and they give you a drill bit. Now I think this drill bit is for going through stone, I believe. So yeah, I have a bunch of those though because I got a lot of Ring stuff. Underneath here, oh, look at this. I'm about to say, what is going on here? They got the power brick in there too, so that's cool. This is the outdoor power supply, which you can tell this one is a lot bigger. This one I think is 25 feet, so I don't know if I'm gonna use this one or not because I don't think this one is quite long enough, but I did order a micro USB 33 feet, and I hope that works. So yeah, man, this has been the unboxing. Now it's time to take this outside and really see what it's looking like, see how it feels. So far, this is feeling like very good quality, man. Way better than the original stick-up cam. I believe this is where you put everything. Yeah, all your cords go in here. I guess we could go ahead and unwrap this. No need to leave that plastic on there. Yeah, that's got a nice look, man. You see how they got just a security screw? I'm glad Ring does this too, because it's more of a secure thing than just having a Phillips screwdriver, but they do give you the star key on the back of this. I remember that from the first time. So you just take that out, put that in. Now you got your star key, whatever. I don't know what it's called. So this has a PoE. Now PoE, I had to look it up myself because I didn't know what it was either. It's power over Ethernet. So you can technically plug this into your router and it will power the camera and it'll give you internet, a wired connection, which I thought was really cool because if you got this in your house, that's one less cord you got to worry about, and you're getting a wired connection, so you're getting much more reliability with that. It looks like you got your micro USB on the right, and then over here looks like your reset button to reset the camera. This was kind of a weird design they chose to do, is they left this kind of open, just getting a bunch of bugs and like spiders and stuff in there. So I don't know, I might try to like put a little tape or mod that a little bit so that's not wide open like that outside. But other than that though, man, the camera is definitely solid. I say that. What is this? Oh, you're supposed to take that off. All right, so this is your level for outside. That's cool. They put that on there, and it's just a protective cover. Yeah, remove this cover before installing on the wall. So yeah, you put this right on the wall. Looks good, man. I'm liking it, man. I'm definitely liking it. I'm gonna go ahead and install it outside and show you what it looked like. I decided I'm gonna go ahead and set it up in the house first, and then when I get it outside, I'll show you what it looks like outside. So far we plugged it in. It's got the little blue light blinking. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the app, set it up. I'm gonna show y'all the process. Go ahead and go to security cams, access my camera. For what? Oh, scan the QR code or Mac ID barcode on your Ring device. So all you gotta do is you take this paper that I found earlier, scan it. Will this be used indoors or outdoors? We're gonna hit outdoors, side, yeah. We're gonna use USB, stick up cam on, the light is flashing. Super easy, man. Like, this is why I love Ring so much. I've been rocking with them for a long time. Their security is just so easy to use, man. It's almost like the Apple of home security. That's how I think of it. Now I know Google got a bunch of stuff, but I just never invested in Google stuff. Ring just was easy, even though this stuff isn't cheap. This was $200, no, $180. The floodlight cameras are $250, but still, that's a good price. What's she say? Oh, she said something looking for. Oh, look at.
Connecting to your Chime Pro network.
What?
Just a moment.
The Chime is talking to this. She actually talking like somebody was looking for your Ring device. We just found your Ring device. Setting it up. That's dope, man. That's what I'm saying. It's like the Apple of home security, man. I like that.
Stick-up cam is connecting to the internet. Your stick-up cam is ready to use.
Yeah, man. So this is live feed. You see? We ready to go, man. I just got to put it up outside, see what it's looking like. The quality is definitely looking good. I mean, you probably can't tell here. I'm gonna go ahead and screen record this so y'all can see what it looked like. You can see that the quality is definitely nice, man. It's got a good look to it. It looks, I want to say it almost looks a little bit better than the floodlight cameras, but it might be right on par with that. And I think those are the best Ring cameras. So yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and go outside, install this up, and I'll let y'all know how it go. I got it up on my house, simple, man. 3 simple screws, boom, boom, boom. With the drill, got it up there. Super easy to install, man. And I bought the 33-foot micro USB, so I was just able to run that all the way to where I wanted to plug it in the side of my house. I drilled the hole through, ran it through right with my cable wire, plugged it in, man. And I mean, it's perfect, bro. Like, if you guessing between getting the solar panel or the battery version of the camera, don't get the battery version or the solar version if you can help it, man. If you can find a way to wire that up, it is so much better. And I'm speaking from experience, man. I got a stick-up cam on the right side of my house that's battery operated. I got one on the left side of my house that's plugged in. And man, there is such a difference. And the difference is the detection of motion. So if you're walking towards the camera and you step a foot over that line of my barrier on the camera, because you can set a boundary on the camera where you want it to detect. If you step a foot over that, it's been recording for 2 seconds before you stepped over that boundary. So if somebody come running up to the side of your house, that camera is gonna catch them coming from the street running up to your house. Where if it's a battery camera, the problem with that is that it tries to reserve battery, so it'll only catch the motion maybe 2 seconds after it saw the motion. Which means if somebody's running on the side of your house or up to your house, they might be up on your house before that camera even starts recording. They could possibly run fast enough to be invisible to the camera. That's what I've noticed with my other stick-up cam. Like just the other day, my neighbor's dog got loose and he ran past the stick-up camera on the other side with the battery. The only thing that camera caught was the fluffy tail of the dog. It's a husky, a fluffy white tail. That's all it caught. And then he ran over on this side because he was running around the whole area. He ran on this side. It caught the entire time that he came right around that corner all the way down the side of my house and back. Trust me, I didn't want to drill a hole in my house either. You know what I'm saying? I went through where my cable was coming in. It is a pain, man, mostly when you're drilling through solid foundation in your house, man, because I was in there drilling for like a good half an hour. I had to take the chisel and hammer the chisel through to get the hole in, man. It was a pain. It was definitely a pain. I heard you need a hammer drill, if that helps anybody. It's really worth it to get the wire connection, man. It really is. So if you're thinking about getting a Ring camera, Ring doorbell, Ring anything, if you can get it wired in some kind of way, say you know an electrician, see if you can get it wired in, man, because the connection will be far superior and you don't have to worry about battery. But if you can't, now some people can't, they don't want to be bothered with electricity, you'd rather buy the solar panel. It's still a very good camera. The quality is really good. It won't detect motion as well if you have the battery version over the plug-in version, but it's still a good camera and it'll still do the job. But if you do get a battery version, you need to try and put it in a place where it it can catch motion way before the camera turns on, is what I'm saying. Like, don't put it directly in front of the fence and somebody can run right past the fence and the camera will never see him, because the battery camera just doesn't detect it fast enough. But it's all good though, man. I hope this helped y'all. This has been my Ring stick-up cam review. Do I gotta do my Sonny Daniel certification on this? I think I do. This is Sonny Daniel certified. Of course, I bought it with my own money. Put it up, it ain't going back, because I bought it on Amazon just in case I didn't like it or just in case I couldn't plug it in. My idea wouldn't work, but yeah, my idea worked, man. So I might throw in some footage of me putting it up or drilling or stuff like that in between this, but I hope this video helped y'all decide. The camera was $180 when I got it, which is a really good price, man. It's a wide field of view too, so you can get a whole yard in the picture, whole backyard, if you place it right. I definitely recommend it. 10 out of 10, Sonny Daniel certified. Hope this helped y'all, and I'll see y'all with some more vlogs, some more tech reviews, some more lit playlists, all of that, man. Peace.
Tell me why